Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn phrasal verbs with their synonym phrasal verbs. Fall apart. Break down. Did their relationship fall apart after the argument? Yes, it broke down completely after the argument. Run into. Bump into. Did you run into anyone you knew at the party? Yes, I bumped into a few old friends at the party. Come across. Run into. Who did you come across at the mall? I ran into an old friend at the mall. Cut down. Cut back. Should I cut down on sugar to lose weight? Yes, you should cut back on sugar to lose weight. Drop by. Drop in. Did she drop by your house unexpectedly? Yes, she dropped in unexpectedly. Figure out. Work out. Can you figure out how to fix this issue? Yes, I can work out how to fix this issue. Hold on. Hang on. Can you hold on a minute? Yes, I can hang on a minute. Look after. Take care of. Who looked after your younger brother when your parents were away? I took care of my younger brother when they were away. Make up. Patch up. Did they make up after their argument? Yes, they patched up after their argument. Show up. Turn up. Did she show up late to the meeting? Yes, she turned up late to the meeting. Turn down. Pass up. Did he turn down the job offer? Yes, he passed up the job offer. Call off. Put off. Why did they call off the concert? They put off the concert due to rain. Carry on. Keep on. Did he carry on working despite the noise? Yes, he kept on working despite the noise. Turn on. Switch on. Should I turn on the lights? It's so dark. Yes, please switch on the lights. Turn off. Switch off. Did you turn off the lights before leaving? Yes, I switched off the lights before leaving. Go over. Look through. Did you go over the report before submitting it? Yes, I looked through the report before submitting it. Back up. Stand by. Did she back up her sister during the argument? Yes, she stood by her sister the whole time. Get along with. Get on with. Do you get along with your colleagues? Yes, I get on with them very well. Settle down. Calm down. Did he settle down after the argument? Yes, he calmed down after a while. Step down. Stand down. Did the CEO step down after the scandal? Yes, he stood down after much pressure. Run after. Chase after. Did the dog run after the car? Yes, the dog chased after the car as it drove away. Give out. Hand out. Did you give out flyers at the event? Yes, I handed out flyers to everyone. Drop out. Pull out. Did she drop out of the competition? Yes, she pulled out due to an injury.